Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about going to kindergarten. The jump from going from pre K to kindergarten can be kind of scary. So we're going to talk about it over the next couple of months, over the summer. Okay? Kindergarten is almost exactly like pre K, except you're going to do some things a little differently. One of the things that's a little different is about tying your shoes. In pre-K, the teachers usually help you if your shoe is untied. In kindergarten, the teachers might help you at first, but they're going to encourage you to learn how to tie your own shoes. We're going to do a book walk through this book. It's called Countdown to Kindergarten. In this book, there's a little girl, and she's very concerned because she's going to be going to kindergarten, but she doesn't know how to tie her shoes. Let's see what happens in this book. Countdown to Kindergarten. Well, let's look at the front cover. I see the little girl's shoe is untied. Do you see that? And look, the cat even has a shoe that's not tied. Oh boy, now I'm really curious. Let's see what happens. Look, she says, I am in big trouble. See how the author made the word big very big? She looks like she's waking up. There's the cat, and she's got a teddy bear, and I think that's a little lion. But she's woken up, and she says she's in trouble. I wonder why she's in trouble. She says, I'm going to kindergarten in 10 days, and I've heard there are a lot of rules there. 10 days. We're going to do a little countdown chart while we read this book. And we're going to count down from 10 days to 1. So right now, she has 10 days before she goes to school. She's heard about rules in kindergarten. Let's see. One of the rules says you're not allowed to bring stuffed animals. That might be true. Every school is different. But your kindergarten might say, don't bring toys from home. It says you're not allowed to bring your cat. Well, I'm pretty sure all kindergartens are going to say that. No kitties. And you have to know how to tie your shoe, it says. Oh dear. Is that true? Do you have to know how to tie your shoe before kindergarten? That's what we're going to decide today together. Well, there's the little girl. She's eating breakfast with her cat. And she says, What? Want to know what I can do? I can count backwards from 10. So instead of thinking about what she can't do, like tie her shoe, she's thinking positive. She's thinking what she can do, such as counting backwards. Here she's counting backwards from 10 to 1. Let's do that together. Ready? Start with 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We counted backwards just like she did in this book. So she's getting ready, she's eating her breakfast, and she's thinking about things that she can do, like count backwards. But she's also thinking about tying her shoe. Do you see her there with her lace undone? Looks like the cat is trying to help her. Oh dear. Now there's 9 days till kindergarten. She's woken up on a different day. So now there's not 10 days. We have to subtract one. There's only 9 days until she goes to kindergarten. This is not getting any easier, she said. Look, her shoes are still untied. She even tried to hide her shoes, guys. But Mom found it. Moms find everything. Should you hide your shoes if you don't know how to tie? No, I wouldn't say do that. She's woken up on another day. 8 days before kindergarten. Oh, let's look at our timeline. We're going to subtract another day. Now she has only 8 days until kindergarten, and she doesn't know how to tie her shoes. Oh, it says even the rain puddle is out to get me. She's just feeling really sad and really bad. I know, she said. I'll pull the laces out. What's the worst that could happen? Ooh, she got a big old boo-boo. Don't pull the laces out of your shoes, my friends. Then she thought she'd just throw them out. But should we do that? Should we throw our laces out? No, don't do that. Oh no, now there's 7 days before kindergarten. We have to subtract another number. She has 7 days until she goes to school. She's so worried about the rules. She's heard that you can't ask for help ever. Do you think that's true? I don't think that's true. I think you can ask for help. So look what happens, friends. Her dad is practicing with her. Well, it didn't come out so good at first. Do you see how her shoestrings are all crissy-crossed? But she's trying. And that's what you can do, friends. You can practice. That means try to tie over and over again. Well, now there's only 6 days before kindergarten. 6 days. We're going to subtract another number. 6 days until kindergarten. She doesn't know how to tie her shoes. What should I try now? She said. Poor girl, do you see her here? Shoes are untied, and she looks very sad. Well, she decides, oh dear. Let's look at the picture, friends. What did she do? She put cat food in her shoe. Is that going to help? No, don't put cat food in your shoes. Now there's only 5 days before kindergarten. 5 days. We have to subtract one. 5 days until she goes to school. I wonder if you can go to kindergarten wearing your baby shoes, she said. Back to my bedroom for practice. She keeps practicing. That's a good thing. Oh, poor kitty. Got tangled up in the laces. She's trying, but she hasn't learned how yet. Now it says 4 days before kindergarten. We're going to subtract another number. Only 4 days until she needs to be able to tie her shoes, right? Oh dear, she doesn't know what to do. Look, she's put her shoe in the bathtub. And oh dear, she got in trouble. Do you see here at the bottom? Yeah. Don't put your shoes in the bathtub, my friends. Okay, we have 4 days until kindergarten. Do you know what comes next? If you said 3 days before kindergarten, you're right. Another day has gone by. Only 1, 2, 3 days are left. Look, she's woken up. She put the sheet over her head. She pokes and pulls and tries. Dad even bought her new laces. That didn't work. So it looks like she put some ketchup on it and some syrup. Oh dear. That didn't solve the problem. What is she going to do? Well, now there's only 2 days before kindergarten. She is worried, friends. She has tried. She has practiced. But there's only 2 days left. Is she going to make it? We don't know. Dad tells her, "Don't worry, sweetie. In 2 days, you're just going to have a little sign and it says Velcro Girl." Do you know what Velcro is? Velcro is the part of the shoe instead of tying a bow. It sort of crissy crossies and sticks, and you pull it off and push it on. That's called Velcro. Should she get shoes with Velcro on them? Here I can see the shoes with two little Velcro straps on it. Is that the answer? I don't know. Oh no. Look, she said very loudly, 1 day before kindergarten. She's so worried. 1 day. 1 day before she goes to big school, to kindergarten. Oh, look. The kitty says, "You'll be all right." But look at her face, friends. Does she think she's going to be all right? Or is she worried? Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. First day of kindergarten. Look, Dad's having to pull her in just to get in the car. And then she looks at everybody's feet when she gets in the classroom. And look, they have shoes that are tied. Oh no. But look what happens, my friends. Later that day, she talks to her friends, her new friends, and she finds out they didn't know how to tie their shoe either. Their parents helped them. "I thought I was the only one," she said. But she wasn't. Hardly anybody knew how to tie their shoes. And guess what? That was okay. Look, friends, here she is in her new classroom. She's not in trouble. She's happy. She's having a great day. When you go to kindergarten, try to learn how to tie your shoes. But if you can't, that's okay. That's okay. You can either get those Velcro shoes with the straps on them, or you can practice how to tie this summer. And if they come undone at school, ask a grown up for help. Ask a teacher for help, my friends. You'll get it. Tying shoes is not easy, but the more you practice, the better you'll get. Oh, hey, come on in, Mr. Teddy. Look who's here. It's Mr. Teddy. You don't know how to tie your shoes either? Okay, well, that's okay. You don't have shoes? Oh, you know what? You're right. Friends, did you know that Mr. Teddy doesn't have shoes? Let's look at his feet. He has only socks. Should we get some shoes for Mr. Teddy? Yes? Okay. Okay, I will go. All right, we'll go up to Walmart and get you some shoes. Go get ready. Okay, well, I guess I'm going off to buy shoes for Mr. Teddy now because he wants to practice tying. Good listening, my friends. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.